Hi guys, welcome back to our Wixel series. Today we are going to be using Wixel to generate an image for us. So let's get started. First, go to Wixel.com, and by the way, you will automatically be logged in here if you are previously logged into your main Wix account. So that same account will also be the same account that will be logged in here on Wixel. So now click on Create with AI to open a chat with Aria. And here we are. So go to this field over here and start typing in a description of the image you want Aria to create for you. Or if you like, you can also upload a reference image that you can use to generate your image. It depends on you. Once you're done inputting your prompt, click on Generate over here, where Aria is going to ask you to set your image settings. So you can set your image settings on this window. So you can select your preferred image style, camera angle, shot type, camera lens, and camera type. So once you've finished setting these things up, click on Generate, and it will generate your image based on your prompt as well as the settings you've set for it. All right, you will then be given four images that you can choose from. So select the one you like by hovering over it and by clicking the select button next to it. If you're not happy with the images that were generated, you can click on regenerate right over here, but take note, generating content with Wixel takes up credit. So yeah, just something to keep in mind. So I'm going to choose this one. Once we select an image, it will be saved in our Wixel projects. So there you have it. That's how you generate an image with Wixel. Hope you guys found today's video of help. If you need more Wix tutorials, check out our channel and consider subscribing as well. Thanks so much for watching, and we hope to see you guys in the next video.